What's up sa inyo mga tol, mga bras? Kung tagong sa mga kaibigan, welcome sa pulang reaction videos na naman. So for today's reaction video, we're going to react to BTS once again. So there you go guys, we're gonna react to BTS and we're gonna react to their Permission to Dance performance live in the UN or the United Nations. So there you go guys. Without further ado, let's get right on to that video. Let's go. Oh.
It's the night of being when I said second throw, been louder with the way you got it. When it all seems like it's wrong, say louder out the joint, with a feeling we're just getting started.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Just dream about that moment when you look and say, "Play me out." I wanna dance to you, this time we going nuts, because it's how we move. Yeah, let's make the best of it, just like you're calling a roll and I'm a dancing moves. We know we do love, we say we know.
Jimin's voice, bro.
Don't need to talk, let's talk, just talk, no up, tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance, there's always something that's been.
Eh, di pa kanila on the stage. Look at V do. Look at this doing. Oh my god. Two legs. Woo! That run, bro. Oh, that's great. Ooh, I love the aerial shot. Let's go, Hobie! They're the boss. Walking around the streets, the boss. Hey! Alright guys, I'm not a dancer, but this song making me dance like a fool. Let's go! Hey! So there you go mga tol, mga bros, we're done reacting to BTS once again, and we're done reacting to their Permission to Dance live at the UN General Assembly. Like, what can I say to them? They own the place. They own the effing place. They are the boss. And I hope guys, We don't have a permission to dance because yes, we're having some pandemic. Diba? Nasa gitna pa rin tayo ng pandemic, pero sana naman guys. Sana naman talaga gumaling na tayo para hindi na tayo nagpapaalam pa or nagpa-permission pa para nag-ask ng permission pa para sumaya sa kung saan, pumunta kung saan, diba? So, what a great performance by BTS once again. Oh my god, the world-class performance by the boys, and I'm so proud to them. There you go! If you like my reaction video to BTS, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And pakirin nyo yung ting bell button na yan para update ko sa akin pang mga susunod na vlogs and reaction videos. So, lagi nyo natatandaan talaga kung alala, una, hinaan lang tayo para sa pangalawa. Support Filipino amateur vloggers and reactors. So, ingat palagi and God bless. LMB Vlogs out. Adios!